In this part we will discuss relaxation of norms for startups and micro and small enterprises in public procurement on prior experience, prior turnover criteria. As per Public Procurement Policy for Micro and Small Enterprises, MSEs, Order 2012 with effect from April 1, 2012 and 20% procurement from micro and small enterprises of the total procurement by Central Ministries Department CPSUs has become mandatory with effect from April 1, 2015. Now the doubt raised that the startups are normally micro and small enterprises which may not have track record. These will have technical capability to deliver the goods and services as per prescribed technical and quality specifications and may not be able to meet the qualification criterion relating to prior experience, prior turnover. This can be clarified through Para 16 of Public Procurement Policy for Micro and Small Enterprises Order 2012. It is clarified that all Central Ministries Departments central public sector undertakings may relax condition of prior turnover and prior experience with respect to micro and small enterprises in all public procurement subject to meeting a quality and technical specification. Hope you liked the video, and if so, hit the like and share the video. We will come up with more videos on recent notification and amendments for startups. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Write us at tldcdelhi@gmail.com or call us at 0999988235.